to dream with my eyes closed. And I find no sense in following others' roads to destinations where nobody knows if it is right for your life and roll. Cause when you go out, people feel empty. If you were bold, God, it's all about the journey. So loosen you must sit and trust when you wait. You're stronger when the lucidity of your state. So take a breath at the moment when you wait. Stop and realize and forever remain lucid in your waking day. No one can take your dreams away. Lucid in your waking day. No one can take your dreams away. Lies within your own mind that under control. So now see yourself as one with all and always be it what you know. So take time to arrange the possibilities and obey. Where one door closes, another one opens. So there ain't no shame in knowing how to play your game. Where one door closes, another one opens. So now take a breath, realize it's all a dream. Throw